Okay, today's topic is about division of decimals. Steps. So there are 3 steps in dividing decimals. Uh, One of which is place the decimal point in the quotient directly above the decimal point in the dividend. And number 2, divide as in whole numbers. And number 3, insert 0 to the dividend when needed. So let's have an example. Divide 34 and 75 hundredths, divide 5. So okay, example number 1, divide 34 and 75 hundredths, divide 5. So let's copy 34 and 75 hundredths, divide 5. So this is dividing decimal number by a whole number. Okay. So base sa step 1, itong kopya ko ng decimal point sa babaw. Kopya na ito na. So ano ito po? Okay, so let's divide 34 divide 5. It is 6. So 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract na to. So 34 minus 30 is 4. Bring down 7. 47 divided 5 is 9. 9 times 5 is 45. Subtract na to. 47 minus 45 is 2. Itong bring down ang 5. So 25 divided 5 is 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Subtract, that is 0. So muna ang answer is 6 and 95 hundredths. So let's check if our answer is correct. Check na to. Okay. By multiplying the quotient to the divisor. So 6 and 95 hundredths times 5. So let's have 5 times 5 is 25. Bring down 5. 32, 45. No, 5 times 9 is 45 plus 2 is 47. Bring down 7. Carry 4. So 6 times 5 times 6 is 30 plus 4 is 34. So count the decimal place. So 1. So na 1. 4. So atong decimal point na niya. So atong answer is correct. Okay. Okay, another example. So dividing decimals by decimals na po. So muna yung tabo. So 23 and 8 tenths divide 7 tenths. So atong button is atong i-move sa rightmost decimal point para mahimo ni siya whole number. Kaya mo divide na ta like whole number. So atong i-move ang decimal din ha. O pilay imong gi-move sa divisor, same po sa dividend. Diha. So may tabo ani is divide like whole number. So is may tabo ni 7 divide 238. So muna kaya mo nang i-move. So kung equal na siya sa 7 divide 238. So muna ay ang equivalent. So pwede natin mag-divide. So 23 divide 7 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Subtract 23 minus 21 is 2. So bring down 8. So 28 divided 7 is 4. 4 times 7 is 28. Subtract 0. Check na to if itong answer is correct. So i-multiply na to ang quotient sa iyang divisor. 34 times 7 7 times 4 is 28. Bring down 8 to 7 times 3 is 21 plus 2 is 23. So correct ang atong answer. Another example is let's divide 281 and 25 hundredths. Divide 2 and 25 hundredths. So click let's copy 1 and 25 and divide 2 and 25 hundredths. So atong is atong i-move ang decimal place dito sa rightmost place niya kinipod. So may equal na siya into 225. Kini is 20,125. So mga ibang ko. So atong kopyahan ito 28,125 kaya divide na to as whole number. So 225. So let's divide kana 281 na itong i-divide una. So let's divide 281 divided 212 is 1. So that is 225. Let's subtract. So cannot be man ang 1 minus 5. So baron ta. So mahimo ng 281 minus 225 mahimo ng 11 kini 7. So pwede na. So 6, 11 minus 5 is 6, 7 minus 2 is 5. So 56. Bring down 2. So ang bitaw one is 2. 2 times 225, that is okay, 0. Carry 1, 5. Next is 4. So 450 subtract that. So let's 2 minus 0 is 2. 6 minus 5 is 1. 4 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 5. So pila na siya. So na ay itong i-count 225 plus 225, that is 450. So 1, okay, another 225. So that is 5, 7, 6. So 3, another 225. 0, carry 1, 8, 0, carry 1, 7. So 5. So 5 na siya. So 5. So 25. 5 times 5, 25, 5. Next is 2. And 12, carry 1. Then is 11, subtract that. So 0. So the answer is 125.